Hey everybody, I didn't want to have to make this video, but lately I just cannot stand using Snapchat, and I'm about to tell you exactly why right here. Not even that I use Snapchat that much, I just like checking out the explore page or maybe my friend's stories. But I can't even do that now because look what's on my screen. This explore page is recommending me content, and why would I even be interested in what celebrities are giving out STDs? Like, I think I can just Google search that or find some other avenue, and I don't know where Snapchat gets this information from. And I understand from a product standpoint, you want to recommend content based on a certain demographic, and maybe most 22-year-olds that are on social media and live in a city like New York, like James Charles or Kylie Jenner or the latest rapper or celebrity drama. As a software engineer who's also interested in a bunch of tech topics and basketball and hip-hop, I am definitely going to be on the internet and social media a lot, but I don't think that means that I should just fit into this demographic of all this loaded content that's just polluting my whole explore page, and I can't even figure out what I want to watch anymore, so I don't go on it as much. See, if that was the only issue, that wouldn't be enough of a problem to take me away from using Snapchat entirely. But another big thing that I don't like is the advertising experience whenever I'm watching one of these stories. Take this one for example. I'm flipping through this story of the popular gamer's net worth. Oh, I'm into it, I'm interested. Signs that J-Lo is about to be single again. Not only does this have nothing to do with what I was watching, but it's clickbaity, it's inviting, and it's enticing enough to make me just forget about what I was watching earlier and take me away from the page. I know you might say that's how most ads work. They want you to interact with them. But these Snapchat ads work in a whole different way. Let me click on this other story. I'm reading about CBC News having a story about cannabis. It's pretty interesting. And while I'm clicking to the next one, the world's youngest dad. These advertisements aren't selling a product or some sort of service. It's like those clickbait titles and thumbnails on YouTube. They want you to click for some sort of interesting or shocking story, and it just completely diverts your attention from what you're watching. It makes you forget about the story. And another thing that just gets me tight, there's ads inside the ad. It makes no sense. As a user, as a normal user, I'm completely confused. And as a software engineer, I'm just upset that this is the kind of experience that a company like Snapchat is providing for the users. This is just look at my screen, look at the bottom. There's so much going on. My attention's in like 3 different places. I'm trying to read about Alfie's story. It's a bit drawn out, obviously, because they want you to stay on the page more to watch the rest of these videos. And it's just like, why am I getting an advertisement for menstrual cramps? You know why? Because these ads aren't targeted, because it's just general ads that are on this page that doesn't even seem like it's part of Snapchat anymore. That's it. That's my little tidbit. Those are the 2 main reasons why I'm not using Snapchat anymore. I'm sticking to Reddit, man. More basketball content on the way. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more cool content. You dig? Peace.